Delightful morning, everyone. I, Bushra, is here to speak some lines on the biography of famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a famous Indian mathematician born on December 22nd in 1887 in Tamil Nadu, India. He is often regarded as one of the greatest mathematicians of all time. Though he had no proper training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contributions in mathematical analysis, infinite series, and continued fractions. From a young age, Srinivasa Ramanujan showed a keen interest in mathematics. He independently developed some of the most complex theorems and formulas. His breakthrough started in 1913 when he started corresponding with the famous British mathematician G.H. Hardy, who, who recognized his interest and invited him to study at the Cambridge University in England. At Cambridge, he produced a vast amount of work which was highly original and groundbreaking. Though, however, the cold climate and dietary restrictions affected his health, and he returned to India in 1990. He died at a very young age of 32 in 1920. He left behind more than 3,900 theorems and formulas, which is still being studied and proven today. His life story is a testament to genius, perseverance, and the power of intuition. Thank you.
Delightful morning, everyone. Today I am going to be telling you all about a great Indian mathematician known as Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22 December 1887. He was born in a poor Brahmin family and showed great brilliance in mathematics by a young age. By the age of 12, he had mastered advanced trigonometry and gave even his own theorems. He had not taken any formal intuitions, but he pursued mathematics by his own great passion. He had given the theorems of the infinite number theory and the continuous fractions. He wrote to the foreigner G.H. Hardy, and he introduced to him to the Cambridge University in England. There he combined with the foreigners and made about 3,900 results, which were later proven right. But there, due to the cold weather and dietary restrictions, his condition became worse. In 1919, he came back to India, but sadly, at a young age of 32, he died in the year 1920. His life was a great inspiration to many, but it was still a sad story. Thank you.
Jovial morning to one and all present here. A good profile for the greatest Indian mathematician for my activity would be Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician who was born on 22 December 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He had a great interest in mathematics and can prove any theorem. He loves to do advanced theorem and he did advanced trigonometry in the age of 12. He interested and developed a result in number theory, infinite many solutions, and continuous fractions. Ramanujan helped a lot and his work was impressed by Hardy, who invited him to Cambridge University in England. But sadly, by the age of 34, in the year 1920, he died. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
Delightful morning, everyone. Today I will present my views on Srinivas Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, India. He grew up in poor Brahmin family and showed early brilliance in maths. By age 12, he had mastered advanced trigonometry and made his own theories. Ramanujan had little formal training and pursued maths as his passion. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. Today I am talking about Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a famous mathematician from Greece. He was born around 570 BC. He loved number and shape. He was famous for Pythagoras' theorem about triangle. He started a school where students learned math and science. He was died around 495 BC, but his idea was still used in math too. Thank you.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. Today I am going to share my views on Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a famous mathematician from Greece. He was born around 570 BC. He loves shapes and numbers, and he joined a school where people learned maths and music. Pythagoras, known from his Pythagoras theorem about triangles, Pythagoras was died in 470 BC. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning, everyone. I am talking about Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a famous mathematician from Greek. He was born around 570 BC. He started a school where people learned maths. He was died in 470 BC. He was famous for Pythagoras theorem about triangles. Thank you.
Delightful morning everyone. Today I am share my views on famous mathematician Euclid. Euclid was one among a famous mathematician. He was known as the father of geometry. His famous geometry contribution is referred as a Euclidean geometry, which is there in the great ninth geometry chapter. He spent all his life working for mathematics and he set a revolutionary. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I share my views on famous biography of famous mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. A good mathematician to profile for a MIC activity could be Srinivasa Ramanujan. He loved math and numbers. He studied in England for mathematical collaboration. He made a significant contributions in number theory, analysis and the infinite series. His works continue to be and learn very deeply mathematical formulas in foreign country. Thank you and have a nice day.
Delightful morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about a great mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on December 22, 1887 in Tamil Nadu. He was born in a poor family, but showed a deep interest in mathematics. He created number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction. Thank you.
Delightful morning to one and all present here. Today I am expressing my views on famous mathematician Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a famous mathematician of India. He is born in 476 AD. He was an astronomer and he is known for the calculating the value of pi and pioneering the use of calculation. He was a cornerstone of ancient India. Thank you.
Joel morning everyone. Today I am going to tell about biography of Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a brilliant Indian mathematician and astronomer. He lived in 476 AD. He explained the concept of zeros and he also tells about that the earth rotates and the solar system. He was having his hobbies from starting to 12 to 15 years old and he was the brilliant mind and explaining all the mathematic formulas. Thank you.
Pleasant morning to everyone. Today I will give a speech on the Aryabhatta biography. Aryabhatta was a brilliant Indian mathematician and astronomer. He lived around 476 AD. His work on the decimal system and the concept of the zero. He also calculated pi accurately. Additionally, he uh, the solar system and he explained the solar system structure and the other Earth's rotation. Thank you.
Delightful morning to everyone. Today I am talking about Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a Greek mathematician and philosopher. He is born around 570 BC. He is known for Pythagoras theorem, which says in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of the two sides. Thank you.